Every AI has the same weakness on its own. It's sealed off. It can't touch your files, your apps, or your data. But MCP changes that, one standard for almost any tool. Think about what a raw model actually is. A brilliant mind with no hands. It can reason and write, but it can't open your calendar, read your code, or query your database, and everything it knows is frozen from training. So, to be genuinely useful, it needs a way to reach the outside world. So, people wired them up by hand, but every AI app needed its own custom connector for every tool. One for GitHub, another for Slack, another for your database. Times every app that wanted them, that's a tangle of one-off integrations. And every new tool means building it all over again. We have seen this exact problem before. Remember, when every device came with its own charger and cable, then USB-C arrived, one connector for everything. MCP is that same idea, but for AI and tools. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's really just an open standard, a shared language that any AI app and any tool can speak, build to it once. And that tangle of custom wiring collapses into one clean connection. It works with two simple roles. On one side, a client, the AI app you're using, like a chat assistant or a coding tool. On the other, a server, a small program that wraps a tool or a data source. Both sides speak MCP, so any client can talk to any server, with no custom glue in between. And each server can offer three things: tools, actions the AI can take, like sending a message or running a query, resources, data it can read, like files or records, and prompts, ready-made instructions for common tasks. That's the whole vocabulary. Here's the loop in action. You ask a question. The AI decides it needs a tool. It sends a request over MCP. The server does the real work and hands back the result. Then the AI answers, grounded in what it just fetched or did, live, not from memory. This is why MCP caught on so fast. You build a server once, and every compatible AI app can use it. You can swap the model underneath without rewriting anything. The library of ready-made servers keeps growing, and your own product becomes AI-ready with a single integration. One thing to keep straight, this isn't the same as a model calling a function. Tool use is the model's ability to decide to act. MCP is the universal plug that lets any app reach any tool the same way. One is the skill, the other is the standard connection. Now, one honest catch, MCP gives an AI real reach into real systems. So permissions and trust genuinely matter. You're deciding what it's allowed to see and do. And like any standard, it's only as powerful as the tools that actually adopt it. So, quick recap. A model alone is sealed off. Hand-built connectors don't scale. MCP is one open standard, a client and a server that both speak it, exposing tools, resources, and prompts. Build once and connect to almost everything. If MCP finally clicks now, subscribe. That's one concept at a time, here on Superintelligence.